Hello there, this is Victor Santana with Stock Hunters. Today is December 5th, Thursday, and here we're looking at the SPY chart, daily chart, which is the S&P 500. And let's get right at this. You can see we're still going above the 100-day moving average here. So we're still considered in an uptrend. Now looking down here at the RSI 3, you can see that it has been falling and it's now below the 30, the red line, and continue to go down lower. Well, you can see here the last few days it's been going down lower. So we're looking for an entry signal once we reach above the 70 in this case here. Okay, so we have no signal to get in yet. It's just basically we're on watch mode just to watch it. Now we're at the level where it can get a bounce and possibly uh, look for an entry. Now let's go ahead and look at the Qs, NASDAQ, and here we are. First thing you look, the trend is up. We're above the 100, and it's kind of been trading sideways. We're getting like a bull flag pattern building up over here. So looking down here on the RSI 5, excuse me, 3, it just broke under slightly. So this seems to be still in a strong uptrend. We haven't got down enough to look for an entry as of yet. So we'll just leave this alone and pass on to the next one. Let's look at the Russell's 2000. Here we're looking, you can see again, we're above the 100 and we're looking at the pattern. It's dropped down, trading sideways. So this could be a little bit of weakness possibly. Some may consider it a bear flag. Now looking at our indicator down here, the RSI 3, we are below the 30, so we're just going to sit and watch it. We're now at the point where if it breaks above 70, then we'll consider look for an entry. So those are the three markets here. Let's just look at the Dow. The Dow, as you can see, it's been heading down lower. The 100-day moving average is still slightly up sloping, not much. So this trend may be getting tired. Looking down here at our indicator, you can see we're way below under the 30, so we'll just watch it, but don't look for any trades as of yet. Now, uh, we have two trades in play. One is the China ETF, PGJ, and as you can see, we've got the entry over here in the signal, and it's still trading sideways here. Now this indicator here has dropped down. Now that is not to be of a concern. That as long as we don't break below this line, we can let this go down. If it breaks below again 30, then we look for another signal to add a second position, providing again that it does not break this or hits our stop at 28.10. Okay, so it may pull back and then bounce up. So we'll just have to watch it. We just have to be patient. And then a news, oh, Twitter, TWTR. You can see here we had an entry signal over here. Actually, let me add that in there for now. See, real quick, like, don't remember the. Here we go. Okay, bought it right there, and we had a good pop today. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we definitely have to put our stop. This is our stop here, last swing low, a few cents below. Okay, and just keep an eye on it. Again, the indicator is not showing anything on this chart platform, but if we look over here, pull up the Twitter chart, you can see it is above on the RSI 3 over here, And so just going to continue. We'll continue watching it. Okay. Now, I got a new signal from ACXM, Axiom Corp. And you can see we're above the 100. And it's been going up slightly. RSI did dip below 30, so here's our setup. Now here's our signal to get triggered. So if it breaks 34.17 or higher, then we should consider to get in. And we put our stop at 32.55, which is 5% risk, which is the last swing low right here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be watching at. Now we also have a signal, but I think it's overdone. And it's this company here. And you see, first we look at the 100 day, it's above it. And we did get the RSI, we got the dip, and now today it closed above the 70. However, if you look at the move, it had a 43% move up. So we don't want to chase this. We're going to wait for the next pullback. And hopefully when this comes back down to the 30, we'll jump back in. And because it did have high volume, so it looks like we got some institutional players coming in here. All right, so that's basically it. Till next time, take care and happy trading.